boy Big Gucci Sosa, aka Sosa Joker Man. Come back at you with another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing some sneakers I got. These took like a week to come because there's like a snowstorm. Let's get into it. I picked up these shoes from East Bay. Discount code in the description below. Big Gucci Sosa 303. Wow, East Bay got the steals. Oh wow. What?
This is crazy.
They gave me a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I don't know what that is, but that's pretty dope. So the first shoes are the Reebok Classics. Had to do it to them. I already got the white pair, so I had to get the black pair. Smell like premium leather, straight from the cow. There you guys go. Got the Reebok on the back. Got the new bug bottom. Oh, clean. Great acquisition. Can't wait to add it to the collection. Now, next shoe I got here, I needed another white pair, so I picked up the Nike Air Max 2017. It's 2018, but on the bigger, better things. Let's see. I got these on discount for the new year. They were like $185, got them for like
$120.
Crispy. The cocaine white. Too bright in the night for the flight. We got the Air Maxes, man. Pretty clean. Got the bubble, hope it don't pop. We even got the little thing for the Fitbit at the bottom of the shoe. I don't run though, but that's still pretty cool. And yeah, smell great. They smell like a daycare.